I've got ink underneath here, and I drew and rubbed on the back.
Okay.
And that transfers the ink to the underside, which is the side we're after. I can peek at it to see what I want. So I know I want a little darker ridge line. Right? That's what peeking tells me. So I put it back down. This time I rub a little harder. You'll notice that when I was drawing, I didn't put my hand down. If I draw a line with my hand dragging along, I create a line and a great big dark drag mark. So you have to draw with your hand in the air. If that's really uncomfortable, I suggest you put your fist underneath your elbow, and that will give you the elevation you need. So you're going to see still lifes, landscapes, floral arrangements. So working pretty quickly, if I go over and over and over those lines, it's water-soluble ink, and it will dissolve and your colors will get kind of muddy. Those little white spots that I just missed, I'm going to keep those. Those are going to be little clouds in my sky or little highlights in my drawing.
Happy trees, that's what I grew up with.
Oh, is this about rocks? There is a way that these are always signed, or at least traditionally signed. They get a title that starts in line with the left edge and goes in, and then your signature and the date ends in line with the right edge.
I'll sit on that side.